all what I'm saying is that, can I not do anything for your wife?
Ucabanga ukuthi when you are against take,
I don't care. Nami ngishelwe njengaye. Indoda must. Angithi uze endodeni. She never considered anyone's feelings because she wanted to be here. Indoda must. Cannot be Thobile. I don't want to be part of anything. If that is being selfish, can I be selfish for once?
hey mzilikazi,
Uma efuna ukuthi lento ayenze ngokudlova uzongamukeleki ngempela period.
Akuyena odlovayo imina.
Awumxoxa nokumxoxa sizizwa kanjani? Oh, yena wazi ukuthi nje ulindelwe ekhaya uyureni.
Yes.
Oh,
Because
okay. Mhlambe it's time
Because-
ukuthi umtshele, uyazi ngobani?
yeah.
So that sezokusiza naye ngokuthi ungabi nepressure yokuthi kube nokuphuthuma ukuthi azofika ekhaya.
Thilo uMakhumalo abe kuma-senses akhe ukuthi waza ukuzovana la kaMseleko, then siyozibona izinto zishintsha futhi ave siyozilungisa izinto kuyozenzakalela kona. Uma ngabe uMakhumalo esagibelele hashi lela ligibelile i-high horse ngeke sikwazi because mina kusho ukuthi fanele ngifake iskate ngizwe ngaye yena afake blue.
Hey guys, hey okay, season 9 episode 2. Mseleko and Makhumalo's fight. Okay, so since this season iqalile vele, we see which there's a lot of tension between Makhumalo and Mseleko, but we're not sure ukuthi kubangwani kahle kahle between the two, like kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Sabanga uSamke, it's deeper than Samke ngoba uSamke usefikile usezalile but still couple isalo. Okay, mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyayibambile, ngiyayibona lento ebangwayo kulomndeni, bengihlanganisa istory, bengihlanganisa nama timeline. Okay, so into ebangwayo engibona ukuthi ibangiswa uMakhumalo noMseleko ukuthi uMakhumalo got offended. uMakhumalo got offended ngenkulumo kaMseleko. Inkulumo kaMseleko okuwukuthi uMakhumalo uyahluleka ukuyenza into abizelwe yona la ekhaya. Hayibo, imagine umuntu ezosho kanjalo kuwe. Okay, context kulento leyo usekasho uMseleko uthi thina ababukeli singaboni uthando la kaMakhumalo nendlela enza ngayo for umndeni wakaMseleko. Okay, Makhumalo is financially providing for the family, and it seems like she is the one olethe imali eningi kunabo bonke, I think. So uMseleko athi lento ayenzayo manje ukuthi abe big financial provider kulomndeni. By the way, cabanga, it's a by the way ngoba lento abizelwe yona kulomndeni uyahluleka ukuyenza. Imagine ngase sikhathi uMakhumalo wamcela uMseleko ukuthi bahambe bayenze IVF ngoba yena uyindoda omzulu and akabelieve kuma IVF, so i-IVF angeke yenze. Imagine, not only did this statement lesasikhulumayo umsebenzi noma ngendlela akhuluma ngayo uMseleko ifike kuMakhumalo, ifike nasemndenini wakwaKhumalo. You get what I mean? Imagine as umndeni sesibuke eTV sesibona uSibali usekhuluma ngengane yethu kabuhlungu kanje. Hayi guys, angazi ukuthi nina nithini ngalolu daba, but mina angihlali nje kahle uyambona nje noMakhumalo naye ukuthi emoyeni nje ayekho kahle, ayekho right. And it's even worse manje sefuna ukuthi uMakhumalo ondle uSamke, ondle umndeni kaSamke, meaning umndeni kaSamke is uSamke nezingane zakhe ezozalela uMseleko, but uthi yena lento ayenza is a by the way. Into ebalisayo guys, into ebalisayo. Ay guys, please comment, please like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Ngicela ucommenteni guys ufuna ukuzulubholweni, maybe nami nje ngiyayidonsa le ndaba ngazi. But hayi ngisashaqekile kwamina. Thank you, bye.